Learning to code is not easy, especially since there are so many scams out there. So today I wanted to provide you with resources that you can use to learn to code for free. The first one, I will say this is probably the best one, is 100 Devs. This is an excellent community and it is a bootcamp style program. This is a 30-week immersive program teaching you basic software development skills and web, all of that. They also have a great Discord community that you can join and actually collaborate with other students. The Twitter hashtag 100devs is very popular, and you can find so many people to collaborate with, to talk about the issues that you're experiencing, and it is a really, really great way to become involved in a great community. My number one tip for career management is to grow your professional network. I still talk to people who I haven't worked with in over 10 years. Everybody needs a support system, especially when you're just starting out in tech and if you're trying to learn how to code. So again, that's 100 Devs, and you can find them at leonnoel.com/100devs. So the next one I'll talk about is freecodecamp.org. They have several certification paths, and they are very well-known certifications, and these will look great on your resume. This is not a boot camp per se. It's online courses, so it's a bit more relaxed. They have a lot of content for free on their YouTube channel to help you get started. I don't think that they have a, community per se, but they do have a forum where you can connect with other students. So the next one is Code Academy, and this one is also very popular. They have an online learning platform, and they have a lot of courses to help you learn how to code to start, and these are all completely free. Since this isn't a bootcamp or certification program, this is a lot more flexible, and I would say that this is a great option for people who are busy and need a more, choose your own adventure approach to learning how to code. And I really, really like this start coding in seconds lesson, so you might want to try that out as well. Then there is Skillcrush. This is where you can learn web development from scratch. This isn't a heavily timed program. It's a lot more flexible, and this is good, again, for people who don't have the ability or entitlement or schedule to allow them to take off of work for like 30 weeks to attend a boot camp. So this one is a good program for people that need a little bit more flexibility, and you'll also get an enrollment counselor to assist you in your learning plans and everything, which is just so useful. So another resource that is really great is the W3 Schools site. This is one of my most used websites. I look up their tutorials all the time because who can remember how to center a div off the top of their head? If you know how to, that's amazing. Sometimes there are situations that you have to be a little bit more creative though. So I use this one a lot, and I have been coding for 20 years. So just keep in mind that you don't need to know things off the top of your head, and if anybody suggests that you do, that is called gatekeeping. So this site includes everything that a junior web developer needs to know in order to be successful. This is a great site, and it has both written and video tutorials, which I think is absolutely great because I know as a person who teaches, not everybody learns in the same way. So this is your only option for written tutorials. Some places have kind of a combo, but the written part is just instructions, and it's not like the why and how. It's only the how, and you really have to understand both. This site also has certifications. These certifications are very important in the industry. They are well known, and again, they'll look great on your resume. And the last one that I wanted to point out is Deborah Kurata's YouTube channel. She started it pretty recently. She's a friend, a mentor, and I can't believe that she talks to me on a regular basis. She's amazing. She is a famous Pluralsight author and speaker. She has decades of experience in tech as a programmer. Her channel has full courses on beginning, development, and working on teams. There are some great courses here, and I highly recommend starting with the Gentle Introduction for Programming for Beginners. I actually watched this recently, and even though I, have been programming for over 20 years, there was still good information in here, and I learned stuff. So check that out and learn all that she has to teach you. She really teaches the how and the why. She goes into deep information on the why to help you connect skills as well. You need her in your life. You'll learn so much, and she'll really, really help you start your coding journey. Which of these free resources will you use? Let me know in the comments, and please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.